Morning, people. So after the package of Emmet last night that I showed in the video, I got busy and I opened a few of the locks. So I opened the Viro, I have opened the Mila lock, I've opened the two Rukos and one of the Yales. So let's start and make this all in video, and I will start with the Rukos. So let's open up. So Ruko, no keys for this thing. Right, I need to lock it. No keys for these things. Not that we need a key, not really. And well, let's have a look now. So using a pry bar, and well, let's have a look what's inside. So the first real binder is on the back, number 5. We already got a full set, I guess. And then it's number 3, I take it. Number 3, okay. It's possible that I opened it already. I don't think so, but no. Just move it a little bit because I don't want to stop the thumb turn. Okay, and then so 5 is set, 4 is set, seems to be, oh no, is set, and then this is number 2, I guess, and open. So that's the first Ruko. It's a model, come on camera, don't let me down now. Is the 60F, I guess, maybe? You guys can help me out here. I'm not that good with the Ruko models. So let's try and get this thing. This one maybe, and this one should be fine, I guess. The only thing that I've noticed inside that there looks like 3 spools. But that's what I can feel, at least. Maybe I'm wrong, but let's have a look. Okay, some dust inside. And where is the plug for? So there we go. Okay, so standard. Nothing. Okay, that's weird. No wonder this is not that hard. There was nothing on chamber number 3. Strange. I would expect that there is something at least. Okay, well, let's see. Then maybe hopefully I have just overset him. It's really small and that I have pushed him down. If not, I will definitely repin this lock, and I will make it a little bit better. So that's number 1. This is spool. Number 2 is spool. Yep, number 3 is empty. That's okay. That's the reason why this was so easy. I was hoping that I'm getting better with Rukos. Okay, another spool on number 4, and a standard one on number 5. Okay guys, so I will be repinning this, and I guess I'll have to try it again. Cool. Okay, see you in the next Ruko. Okay, I'm back with the second Ruko. I've checked at least this one has 5 pins, at least that I can feel 5 pins. So it's, let's see if we can pick it also some decent amount of time. So in any case I will definitely be repinning or at least playing with these locks with the pins, because I want to make them a challenge. Emmett, you're getting one back, but it will be a custom pin, so it won't be that easy. No more 4 pins. So the feedback on this one is close to nothing until you find the first binder. Okay, that was the first binder, I guess. A very slight rotation on the core. Okay, now we got a deeper rotation on the core. This particular Ruko has seen some action that I can see it's really worn. So I would be curious to see what are the internals. Let me change my pick. I think I need a deeper hook for this thing. Okay, yeah, and this definitely needed a deeper hook. Okay, so that was the really good full set. Let's have a look. This is the next one, I guess. Okay, some deeper full set again. Come on. And open. Okay. Don't know what is with this one. As I said, I think it's really worn out. I have sprayed some lube on it so that I can work with it. So let me just not lock it up. See if I can open this thing. I really hope so, because it really looks, if you have a look here, come on, it looks really worn on the back side. So let's have a look if I can open this thing. Ooh, the internals are just awful. Okay, so let's just clean it a wee bit. Yeah, I'm definitely making new locks, and maybe I will even try to make some keys for them. I need to find only a fitting, so that way should work, I guess. Yeah, okay, all pins are inside on this one. Let me just scrub off a little bit of the excess lube that I put in. Let's dump everything. Okay, number 1 is stuck, number 2 is out, seems like a standard, 3 standard, looby standard. The last one, come on, the last one. Sorry about that. Let's dump also the first one. Out you go. Okay, so top pins, dirty and greasy standard pins. Nothing on the core as far as I can see. So let's start again from the front. So master wafered, great. Well guys, after I repin it, I will probably make a video with one of the repinned ones, because this was quite easy. So this one and this one is spool. Oh, no, sorry, this one is a strange spool. This one is a spool. This one is also a spool with a master wafer. Come on, pin. Okay, another master wafer. And another spool. And loads of dirt. And another one. Okay. Yeah, so as I said, I will play with these locks. I will definitely repin them. I'll clean them. I'll make some new lube that is not that dirty, hopefully. And then I will pick them again on camera, at least one. Emmett, you're getting one back, but it will be a bit more harder than this, I hope. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you later in the next video.